Yes. Should it be equal?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Normally, yeah.
Yeah, you're a bit more to that side,
Yeah.
so maybe. The thing is aggressive and loud as Yes, now come straight. Yeah. I almost got hit by a German muscle car. All right. Should do.
Stressy.
Stressing.
Yeah. Normally I fly on my bridge with my own cars, but this one.
This was a lot of noise, but not a lot of speed, huh?
No.
What's up, my man?
What's up, bro?
Today we are working on this E500, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's close the because of the harsh light.
Noises from the
unfortunately we have a bit of ambient noises here, but it fits the environment, so no worries. So we just went for a quick warm-up ride. We had some breakfast, and now breakfast,
and now it's time.
Now it's time to open
the hood, yeah.
And we're gonna do a little maintenance on this one, right?
Yeah, just oil and oil filter.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
Well, it's a bit stressy just because you've never really had your hands on one of these, right?
No, of course not. Okay. You don't see them a lot. It's a special car, you know. It's they're becoming more and more expensive as well. So
yeah, exactly. But at least the owner knew one address to go to, and that's Migos.
Yes, the ghetto garage.
There you go.
Put it on the bridge now, and we'll take a look.
Put on the gloves.
The gloves.
Let's give you a quick teaser of this wide rear end.
So that's the reason why it was built in the Porsche factory.
Yeah, correct. So this one was built in a Porsche factory because actually the wide body that you see here, Miguel knows all about it. It was not, I mean, it was too wide to fit into the normal Mercedes factory, right?
Yeah, so it couldn't go through the line, through the factory line, and that's why they went to Porsche.
Yeah.
But most people think that Porsche built this, but that's actually not true.
Okay.
Mercedes did all the work. Porsche just put it together.
Okay.
So
Porsche assembled it, yeah. By the way, I hope you enjoyed the little cinematic stuff that we did before we drove it into the garage. Yeah, it's one of the first videos we're doing like this, so if you like it, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Oh, just kidding.
No, do that actually.
Yeah, actually do hit the thumbs up button indeed. Then we know we're doing good stuff.
Come with me.
Yes.
I've been talking with Tommy about something, how many years?
Since we've been in school together, so
yeah, 4 or 5 years that we should do something, and it's finally happening.
Yes.
My dream car, my dream project car.
It's right here, baby.
E36.
It's gonna pop the hood of this one as well.
Little peek. So of course with a 6-cylinder, and if you look there.
This is, I'm very bad at these things, so please tell me.
This is an automatic transmission, and come with me. I did something special with this because the automatic transmission was broken in this car.
He fitted an Emmanuel, guys.
Emmanuel! But it's not done yet. It has a lot of work.
Okay.
I replaced the radiator and it broke again after 2 drives. So yeah, typical BMW shit. Yeah,
so, but I'll include a clip right now from the first time he took it out and he came to pick me up. It was monstrous how that car went into the RPMs. It was really nice.
The hardest thing was actually finding parts for it.
Yeah.
I had to go to the Netherlands quite a lot because they have more
spare parts.
Yeah, than Belgium. Yeah. It was quite a journey.
Okay, so
we are going to start with the oil change. First of all, the elephant in the room.
The elephant in the room.
This is not stock, so there's a lot on this car that is not stock.
Okay.
It's a bit controversial, of course, but you have to know at the time it was just a car that you could buy.
Yeah.
So it's normal that he did what he did on it. This normally is a 5-liter with 325 horsepower, and he bored it out to a 6-liter.
Okay.
So now it makes 300 85, I think. But yeah, normally you have the intakes. It comes through here. Then you have an intake that goes like that. But he changed it to the American style. That as well, he wants to do stock again. And that's why we have the hood scoop on it. I'm inspecting the car for any leaks or something. I'm inspecting the belt. But Ronnie is a mechanic himself. So yeah, it's mint.
What are you gonna crack open now?
The oil filter.
Okay.
So everybody does it the way he likes it, but I like to open it before I drain the oil. That way it
Leaks out
faster.
Yeah.
Going to try because it is at a tricky place.
Okay.
Take a look. Right besides the exhaust.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
So this right here. Does it fit? Yeah.
You're gonna use this for once, you said?
Yeah, because it always hangs here, and
Okay.
my car, it's not at a mint condition, so I usually don't put this on the car, but now.
There you go. Ronnie, this is especially for you, so we don't scratch your car. Okay?
Yeah.
And by the way, he told us it's BMW paint on here, right?
Yeah, so it was black at first, and he painted it, but
apparently it was painted on the outside, the bodywork on the outside, but also they took out all of the panels inside and they really painted everything that was black before.
You can't tell that it was black before. We are going to detail it after the maintenance as well.
Yeah.
So then you can, but look.
Yeah, but you see the sparkle already. Yeah. So by the way, Miguel does not only maintain cars, but he also details cars. So we're doing a bit of all-rounder today.
I don't know actually from what year this specific car is. We are going to have to take a look at the papers.
Okay.
And look at the bag as well. Oh my God.
This is limousine level, isn't it?
Yeah, so comfortable inside as well. So, hey. 91.
91, okay.
91.
This is a very good era, isn't it?
Yeah, the best. My E36 from 93, so yeah.
We have some 90s vibes going on in here.
And don't forget 2 Civics outside.
2 Civics outside, correct. I'll include some footage or we'll look at it later on.
Voila.
Yes.
Put that here. I'll leave the oil filter in for now. We'll drain the oil now.
Okay.
I have a new one here, original from Mercedes.
Okay.
So yeah, this costs 15 or 20 euros. So yeah, I don't like to put aftermarket oil filters.
No, for sure.
Or spark plugs, but that's just me. So
you'd like to keep it as original as possible, especially in one of these. All right, we're gonna put it up. Yes, there we go.
All right, that should be enough.
Let's see what is going on underneath here.
Yeah, so keep in mind this car is more than 30 years old, so everything looks fine.
It looks fine to me actually, because how long has he owned the car for? It was 15 years, he said, right?
15 or 20, I don't know. Yeah.
But he's only driven it for about 3,000 kilometers, he said.
Did he say? Yeah. I didn't know actually. Yeah. Now we'll crack open the plug here, the bolt for the oil.
All right.
Here in Belgium we call it DDT. So
DDT, yeah. For the ones who know, just leave a comment, okay?
Maybe I put it a little bit too low.
That's why he's dieting all the time, because otherwise it doesn't fit underneath anymore.
Voila.
All right, there he goes. Now all of the 8 liters is leaking out.
I hope that the
bucket will be enough.
Big enough, but should be okay. Should be okay. We'll change out the oil filter. Holy shit! Ooh. So as you can tell, it's beat up.
It is. So we should compare this one actually to the new one, right?
Yeah, I think so. It can be that they changed this. I don't know for sure. They made it bigger. I'm going to take a look in the oil filter housing to see, but I don't think that it's broken.
This is beaten up, man.
Yeah, it's beaten up. We'll yeet this out. So now, take the new one, push it in real good. Pause.
That's what she said.
Pause. Now we'll change up the gaskets. This is the old one. Voila. We forgot one major detail.
Oh, there we go.
You get me?
Funny enough, I put that in my Instagram story that I posted of this car just a second ago.
Okay, so now I'll put on the screw for the oil drain plug. Screw that on. We'll put in the 5 liters. That was 5 liters.
All right.
We are using 5 W40, 6 liters. So this is 7. I hope Crown Oil is not lying.
Otherwise, we're suing you guys.
No, I don't think that we can do that, but okay, this was 7.
Yeah. Yes. So
I just checked the oil.
Uh-huh.
And it looks good. It's on the minimum.
Okay.
So that's a good sign because we put in 7 liters and it needs 8.
Okay.
As you can see.
Yeah.
So now I can send it and put in 500 milliliters, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it bit by bit. So
yeah.
First 200 and then I'll see.
Okay.
Because like I said, if you put in too much,
you're fucked. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll put in 200, just that much.
All right.
Yeah, okay. As you can see, we are.
Yeah.
So I think another 100 or 200 and we are good. So after this, we are going to do a real quick detail for the inside and outside.
Mm-hmm.
But as you saw, the inside is mint.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm not going to have a lot of work. The outside, he always waxes it, so it's going to be easy. The oil level is perfect.
Yeah.
And we're done.
All right.
So now,
just gonna finish everything up. Screw the top back on.
Voila.
There we go. She's all free again.
Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Hell yeah.
Hey, you know, Miguel, what the cool thing is?
What?
The viewers hear you as clearly as they hear me.
Oh yeah. Test, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Alright, so now that we finished the oil change, we are now moving on to the detailing of the car. And Miguel is going to explain how the process is going into work.
Okay, first we will wash the wheels, then we will do the pre-wash, then we will do the wash with the wash mitt, then we will clean everything off, wax it, and then we will dry the car.
Alright, let's go!
So we did everything and now we have to wax the car.
We're gonna leave that in, Miguel.
We're going to wax
the car. And now you just build up some pressure in the pump and
and then we wax the gear.
All right, fixie care.
Just like that. Chapo.
It's not El Chapo, guys. It's just his dog.
It's just a dog. Just not hiding here or anything.
I mean, given the car, you would think he's hiding here, huh?
Yeah. True.
All right, so now we're just vacuuming the car, and after it, we're all good to go on the road, right?
Yeah. So normally we would do a full interior detail as well, but I want to drive this car and I'll do it another day. So
Exactly, and maybe we didn't mention it yet, but the occasion to drive this car is actually today, because there's no other day left really. So we should take the chance, right?
yeah.
Messy here because we've been driving with the windows open the whole time, right?
Yeah, it's quite hot today, but that's a good thing.
So so far we've been enjoying the car since it's been properly and carefully detailed by Miguel, and yeah, we're now just making our way to dinner. But how does it drive? How does it feel? What is it really like to drive the E500?
It's really a cruiser. At first I wasn't that much impressed till I did a kick down, and only when you do a kick down it goes.
Really comes to life.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
If you press the throttle for, let's say, 80%, it goes, but it's not that crazy actually. But when you do a kick down, that's when it comes to life.
I mean, so far so good, and I really feel like the beast mark there is on its place in this one.
True.